Hey guys, welcome to my videos. Look, today I'm staying here at Holiday Inn Express at Mount Pleasant, Pennsylvania, USA. So after so long I have come to USA and this is the hotel I'm gonna stay for next few days. So this is an excellent location, like just next to highway. Like we take that exit 119 and then just after roundabout we reach here. It's an excellent location. I took the toll routes after crossing the border at Rainbow Bridge, and just 3.5 hours less than that I reached here. Now the location is pretty beautiful. You see beautiful houses around just next to highway. There's a Starbucks next to it, and also there's a gas station on this side. Okay, let me see if I can show you. Yes, Get Go gas station is here. Okay, now there are some stores here. Okay, next few days I'm gonna cover some major cities here in Pennsylvania. It's excellent temperature today, 28 degrees, and hotel location is good. Like they have ample parking. There's some furniture store something here. Okay, they have ample parking both at front and back, and also on the both sides. And like I could use the trolley here to take my luggage up. I'm gonna give you some tour of the hotel also, so stay with me. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so once you enter, just right is the reception. I won't be filming the reception area because receptionist would not like it, right? So that's what. Wow. So we have lot of snacks here. Not sure if these are complimentary or paid for, but anyway, I'll ask later about this. There's a meeting room here. I'm not gonna use it. And washrooms here, and here are the rooms. There's emergency exit, and this is the breakfast area, operable in the morning. Tomorrow morning I'll show you what it is. And here you can see some catalog. There's a fitness center on this side. I'm gonna go through the fitness center too. So washroom for the guests, they have clearly mentioned no public washroom. Oh, this is the fitness center, 24 hours open. Let me see it, what other equipments they have. Yes, I could open it. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's small scale fitness center, I would say. They just got one treadmill which is out of order. Wow. They have these two weighing machine. Okay, nothing much, it's not too big. Okay, meeting room, you remember it was the other side here. Emergency exit on the other side too. All the attractions nearby, their information and coupons too. And some mechanical storage room, housekeeping storage. Yeah, some storage rooms here. Location is very good, no doubt. And this is the elevator. Again, there's an exit here. And here, oh, there's a plaza. There's a shopping plaza here. You see the other side, that gas station, shopping plaza, some offices, chit pole. Fine, lot of things. Yeah, for room I'll make a different video, okay, so that I can give you the tour of the room. And this is the elevator I'm gonna use, and it's just like 3 floors hotel, so it's a nice stay, especially when you want to stay with family. This is an excellent location. And you know what, I have booked it for free from my credit card points. Okay, so this is what it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.